Hello John, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you what is superscript tag. In my previous video, just a video before this one, we talk about subscript and here we are going to be talking about the superscript tag. And I know you are definitely excited to learn about it. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to open a new folder. Here is all our topic. Let me see all the HTML elements we have been deleting. We have been using we have been opening new folder. So let's open it up inside our code editor. And then it is easy for me to do this. Then wait for it and then index.html. So if you have actually any question or anything you have noticed, you should definitely tell me inside the comment section because I normally reply to my comment section below. So the next thing to do here is to change this to now subscript. No, superscript tag. And then let's say we definitely want to have a heading one that says hello. So I'm going to see what I already have inside my browser. Copy part, go to the browser, paste, and you can see my heading one that says hello. So let's say I want to write something like 10 raised to power 10. So I should be able to do this 10 sub 10. And then you can see now we have 10 raised to power 10. Well, I can just do 10 times raised to power 10x raised to power 10. It doesn't actually matter. But what you know is these subscripts make this text, it just make this 10 to appear at just the top, while the subscript in the previous video make the 10 to appear below. Let me say log 10 or something we did appear below, while the superscript tag now make the 10 to appear at the top. So in case you want to write some mathematical expression in your code, it's easy for you to do this. So if you really like this video, let me see you in your comment in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye bye.